council gardening depot. Have a look into the internals first. As you can see, it's in quite a bad state. Most of the windows broken. Inquiries. Tap, but I'm not actually sure what that would have been. Huge kind of basin, however. Come up through this door here. See, there's a large selection of buildings. Actually don't know if these buildings are going to be bulldozed or not. There's going to be a housing estate. So this place will look very, very different in maybe a couple of years. Collection of CDs. Here another small building. Hey, that cat is totally freaked out. Let's see if we can enter some of the garden area. See cupboards. Quite a large area here. Once you get in, you can see where the area for the plants would have been. Still pots here even now. Here's another building that is a real bad state. You can just see some of the plant pots. Thousands of pots. more buildings just down here. It's here, which are in a very run-down state. Kind of almost underground. This is obviously all going to be bulldozed away. Some kind of water tank. See the pipe going into it. It's all pretty much all in a bit of a state here. It does have a roof which is fairly broken up condition. Let's have a look further up through these gardens. You can just see the area we've just been into there is almost subterranean. You can see the perimeter fence here. I see a fairly large wall there which would have actually walled a lot of that area off. I'm guessing this is the perimeter of the site. There's an area of woodland here as well. Hopefully this is not going to be cut down. I'm guessing very few people know that this is here. Pretty much surrounded by houses on every side. See more shelving. I'm guessing this here would have gone right the way along. This would have had a roof over the top, possibly a polytunnel style roof, rather than just being totally outdoors. Chimney there, really quite a large chimney that.